Hello guys, welcome to another video of my PHP Basics series. So in this video tutorial we'll be talking about operators in PHP. To be more precise, we're going to be talking about arithmetical operators, and there are like different types of operators which we will be talking about in our other videos. So to begin with arithmetical operators, the standard and some kind of definition says that arithmetical operators are used with numeric values to produce some arithmetic operation, to do some operation. So I'm just going to start by giving you examples of what are the types of arithmetic operators in PHP. So we're going to begin with addition, or the plus sign. So you can use this to add values and to produce some sum or something. So if I say echo 5 plus 5, and then I go out to my browser, I say localhost we're left with data types, and there you can see the result we get is the sum of these two values, which is 10, which means that this produces the sum. So that will be addition, and the next one will be subtraction. If I say 5 minus 5, the result, as you're guessing, will be 0. So the next one will be a division. So I'm just going to say echo 4 divided by 2. I need to save this, refresh, and there you get a 2. The next one, as you're guessing, would be multiplication. 4 times 2 is 8, and you can line these out, so like this, you're gonna get 16. And the next one is like kind of special one, if you haven't used it before, is called module, and basically it says like this: if I have an x as a first number, which will be 10, and then I use module or sign 10 module 3, and here when I refresh my site I'm gonna get 1. What this does is it says divide the 10 by 3 and then give me the result of what is left of that division. So it gives you the remainder of the division between x and y, between your first and your second number. So that will be module. And the next one is also special. This was introduced in PHP 5.6 version, I think. So this is going to be like the power operator, or so you can say it like this: you add like multiplication 2 times, and now this will be, if I refresh, there you go. So this is like 10 to the power of 3, and so that will be like your basic arithmetic operators. So in our next video we'll be talking about assignment operators and how to use them. And thank you for watching.